Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your TikTok username and display name directly from the browser. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. Type tiktok.com in the search bar and open the official TikTok website. Step 3. Once you're logged in, go to your profile section. Step 4. Tap on Edit Profile to access your account details. Step 5. Clear your previous username and enter the new username you want to use. Step 6. Now remove your old display name and type in your new name. Step 7. When everything looks correct, click on Done to save your changes. Your TikTok username and name are now successfully updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Preyo Promo for more clean, simple, and professional tech guides. See you in the next video. Thank you.